Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part 3 of this video. And if you don't have any interest in this, just don't watch, please. We're trying to figure out something, and I'm still, so the one I'm helping, I'm still going to work on that other problem. But right now, if y'all remember from the first 2 videos, we rotated or blended it 115 times, put on a new path. And then after you look at it closer, the bricks are being bricks. I mean, you're working with a square subject, and so they're going to be squished in. Some of them are going to be squished in. This brick is on top of that brick, and short there and long there. So I started thinking to make it look more like brick, and maybe this will work, is let's just blend them 200 times on the very first one. So I need to grab both those, blend it 200 times, go up to blend a new path, put on the path, blend along full path, and rotate all objects. Now if we look, and it'd be a lot better if I take away there's that dark box again. I hope somebody will chime in. Once again, you have to, I'm going to get rid of this line, so we need to select it all, go up to object and break the blend apart to be able to get that. And then if we move this blend out of the way, now the bricks to me look more like bricks. Now some of them aren't perfect, but on a scale that he's doing this, I don't think you're going to see the imperfection, and at least none of them are crossing each other. I'm still going to work on a couple of videos on maybe object to path and see if it works better than blend, because it's having a trouble blending these. You know, like it starts out straight and then it starts, these are like straight and then they start tapering off. But if there was a way to do this and, make it look like, more like brick, I think it'd be better off. Let's just ungroup all these bricks, and let's see if we right-click in black. Now they look more like bricks. Now this would have to be a raster engrave instead of a vector engrave, and so that might not work, but it does look more like bricks. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.